Hey guys, my name is Din Ginto from dinonlinepitch.com and you're watching one of my review videos on the new product launches for online training and software products. Now stick around with me here because I'll be making a review about this new product launch called Traffico. Stay tuned. Now, in today's video, I'll be making a review and demo of how Traffico works, and I will be showing you inside of the members area, so you will get to see a sneak peek of what's inside the content, so you will know what to expect when you decide to purchase this product. And I'm also going to be offering you my free bonuses to those of you who are sticking around to watch my review video of this new product launch. Now, these bonuses, by the way, are super valuable, that it will benefit you in the long run because it has wealth of information that are very helpful for you to learn some of the techniques on how to scale up your online business without wasting any more time. So anyway, let's cut to the chase, and I'm going to give you a run through of what the Traffico methods are. So basically, to put it briefly, Traffico will let you generate free traffic so you don't have to go finding it yourself, and this program will actually do the work for you to find traffic so you can start earning commissions with this method. Now, the traffic comes from Facebook because, as you may know, many people are on Facebook, and getting traffic from Facebook is actually easier to obtain because of the popularity. Now, this also comes with a video marketing software that will help you get more traffic for additional revenue. Now, this method is great for affiliate marketing, and all you have to do is learn from this training and just start applying these methods so you can get instant traffic using Facebook. Now, I want to talk the benefits of this product. Now, this program comes with video trainings in the welcome page of this program, and that I'm going to show it to you later. Then right after you watch all the video trainings, you're going to get access to the software so you can start doing your video marketing. Now, you can get free traffic from Facebook, as you know that everyone is on Facebook, and nothing is easier than getting all these free traffics from social media. Now, it's easy target for someone who is on Facebook, and we all know that a lot of people out there are constantly on Facebook, and this is to your advantage to get free traffic for your offers. And as you may know, free traffic is an advantage, so you can start promoting your affiliate links. You can benefit from this, and you can easily earn your affiliate commissions using this method. Now, onto the members area. Now, I'm here inside of the members area of Traffico. So over here is the main dashboard of the program. So if you scroll down, this is where you can access to the software over here. So you might want to watch all the video training first before you log into the software. So for here is the Traffico welcome video, and right down here is the Facebook profile setup of the video training, and here is the making a Facebook cover with Canva training. Then here is the making a Facebook post, and right down here is a video training of how to make money. And also, if you have any questions about the training, you can actually reach them out here to this email address, and then just send them an email there if you have any questions about the program. Now, on to here. So once you watch all the video trainings, all you can do is click over here, and you can actually log into the Traffico dashboard here. And as you can see, this is where you can view all your dashboard of your status of your video marketing here. And here is the video suite, and you can start over here. And next would be, you can enter any keywords that you'd like for the video that you want to use for your video marketing. And here is where you can do a video editor, and here is where you can download videos. And then that's pretty much it. So it's pretty self-explanatory. So all you can do is first would be to watch all the video trainings so that you can gain an understanding on how this whole thing works. And also don't forget to join their Facebook group here so that you can actually communicate and share your questions to the members in this Facebook group here. This is where you can access your bonuses over here, and also I offer you my additional free bonuses for purchasing this front end of Traffico. So that's pretty much it, and this is the whole demo of the Traffico program. Now, I've also put together a ton of custom bonuses for those of you who like to pick this up by my link, which is down below in the description of this video. If you click on the link, it's going to bring you through to my bonus page, which looks like this. And if you want to pick up Traffico, this is going to go live on August 3rd. That's when you'll be able to click on any of these green buttons here to go through to the sales page, which looks like this. And then right over here is where you can go ahead and pick this up. Now you need to pick up before the countdown timer runs out onto my bonus page here, because when my countdown timer runs out, then all of my bonuses will disappear, and that's obviously something that I don't want you to miss out on. Now, to claim these bonuses, they are 100% free of charge and instantly delivered to you. All you need to do, first of all, is click on that link down below in the description that comes through to my bonus page here. Just scroll down and then click on any of these green buttons here to go through to the sales page. And then this is where you can go ahead and pick this up. Now, if you have any questions about this, please feel free to follow me on my Facebook page here. And then you can send me a message right there, and I'm more than happy to answer any of your questions. Now, these bonuses I'm offering to you that I just mentioned to you earlier is completely free of charge, and even if you just pick up the front end, which is at the time of recording this video, is only going to be one-time price of $17. Also, you can upgrade your front end purchase for those of you who are interested in scaling up your online marketing needs, so you can get more access to the upgrades to help meet your needs for your online business. So over here is, once you click the link down below in the description of my video, you can actually come through to this page here, and here are all the available upgrades for Traffico that you can check out right over here. So feel free to click on the link down below in the description of this video and go ahead and read, and make sure to take the time to check out the available upgrades for the Traffico program. Now, when you click the link down below in the description of this video to purchase Traffico, I will offer you my free bonuses. Now, this is my way of saying thank you so much for taking the time to watch my review video. So after purchasing through my link, I will give you my free bonuses. So make sure to click the link down below in the description of the video. And if you have any questions about the bonuses, please feel free to follow me on my Facebook page, which you will find down below in the description of any of my review videos, or in my YouTube About Me section, and you can send me a message right there. And remember, the early bird pricing is frozen at $17 during the launch period of Traffico. And once again, don't forget to check out my bonuses because they are super valuable, and it's only going to be available for the first 3 days of the launch, and it's going to be removed at 11 p.m. Eastern Standard Time on August 6th. So make sure to look out for that when you pick this up. Now, all of my bonuses are all included, even if you just buy the front end, which is only going to be one-time price of $17. So that brings me to the end of this video. Thank you so much for watching my Traffico review, and I hope you enjoy my review video, and make sure to click the link below to purchase Traffico at the discounted price. And also don't forget to pick up my free bonuses that you can check out down below in the description of this video. I'll see you guys on the next video, and thanks again for watching my review video. Make sure to like and subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you guys on the next video.